red tide. Ayan, let's go.
Let's go.
I'm trying to hold my breath. Ah, wala? Wala? Ayaw ako pakantahin. Meron ako. Wala. Wala pa din. Okay na. It's a prank lang pala. Ay, nako. I'm trying to hold my breath. Let it stay this way. And let these moments end. You set up my dreams singing, getting loud tonight. Can you hear it echoing? Take my hand, will you share this with me? 'Cause darling, without you, I'm shine like thousand spotlights. All the stars still run the night sky. Never be enough, never be enough. Sounds so loud to little. His hand would hold the world, but you still never be enough, never be enough for me. Never, 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 never for me, for me. Never enough, never enough, never enough for me, for me, for me. On the sun, a thousand spotlights, all the stars still on the night sky. Never be enough, never be enough. How so hard to live? His hand would hold the world, but you still never be enough, never be enough for me. Sorry. Never, 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 never for me, for me. Never enough, never enough, never enough for me, for me, for me. Ay, ang hirap kumanta. For me. Kanina pa tayo kumakanta. Gusto ko. Thank you po.
Yes, we are never enough. You are never enough. My God, Pao, you immediately leave us. Oh my God. Ange is not prepared, guys. Look at her makeup. Hello, she's not prepared. Hello.
Teka, bakit
Look
si
at her
Ange ang kasunod
outfit.
ko?
She's not prepared.
Babao!
My God, she's not ready.
Bakit si
Ilay
Ange
lang
ang
yan.
nasa unahan ko?
Ilay lang.
My God, Claudia, she's not ready.
Yeah, hindi siya ready rumampa, Brad.
Isa din lang, bago ka kumanta, Ange, kakanta muna ako, oy. Ano ka ba? Alas 10 na. Huwag kang ganyan.
Oo,
Okay, I
Rain,
will
good
sing
luck talaga
first.
sa akin eh.
O, diba? Dapat ako mauna. Hindi dapat ako ang next dyan. Dapat ikaw. Ganon. I'm just happy. I'm happy and I'm proud of Patrick. That's all. Thank you.
Ay, sana all talaga, oh.
I'm proud of his second gospel event. That's all. Ay! I'm just the pieces of the girl I used to be. Too many bitter tears are raining down on me. I'm far away from home, and I've been facing this alone for much too long. I feel like no one ever told the truth to me about growing up and what a struggle it would be. In my tangled state of mind, I've been looking back to find where I went wrong. Patrick! Too much love will kill you if you can't make up your mind. Torn between the lover and the love you leave behind. You're headed for disaster, 'cause you never decide. Too much love will kill you every time. Shh, quiet. Meg. I'm just a shadow of the girl I used to be. And it seems like there's no way out of this for me. I used to bring you sunshine. Now all I ever do is bring you down. How would it be if you were standing in my shoes? Can't you see that it's impossible to choose? No, there's no making sense of it. Every way I go, I'm bound to lose. Oh yes, too much love will kill you, just as sure as not at all. It will drain the power that's in you, make you plead and scream and crawl, and the pain will make you crazy. You're the victim of your crime. Too much love will kill you every time.